Hi guys, and welcome to Investor's Guide to the Galaxy. It's your host Alex Ionescu. Google parent company Alphabet second quarter earnings in 2022. Let's dive right into it. Google stock price. On 29th of July, it's up 1.79%. Year to date is down almost 20%. Past year is down 14%. Past 5 years is up 151%. With a market cap of $1.54 trillion, PE ratio, price to earnings ratio of 22.42, Alphabet's second quarter 2022 results. In the second quarter of 2022, we had revenues of $69.68 billion, up 13% year over year, compared to 62% year over year increase in 2021 from 2020. It's a big difference, but it's still growing. The revenue is still growing, so that's good. Now let's look at the segmented revenue. Google Search and other, $40 billion revenue in Q2 2022 compared to $35.8 billion in 2021. YouTube ads, still growing. 2021, $7 billion. Q2 2022, $7.34 billion. Google Network increasing also from 2022 $7.59 billion to $8.25 billion in 2022. Google Services total $62.84 billion in 2022 second quarter compared to $57 billion in Q2 2021. Google Cloud from $4.6 billion in 2021 to $6.2 billion in 2022. Total revenues $69.68 billion in Q2 2022 compared to Q2 2021 where they were at $61.88 billion. And year to date in 2022 the revenues are $137.69 billion compared to $117.19 billion in 2021. Net income in Q2 2022 was 16 billion. It has gone down compared to Q2 2021 where we had $18.52 billion. Year to date net income $32.43 billion compared to $36.45 billion in 2021. Operating income Google Services similar to Q2 2021. In Q2 2022 we had $22.77 billion. Google Cloud still losing money, $858 million compared to $591 million last year. And other bets losing money also, $1.68 billion this year compared to $1.39 billion last year. Other bets are generated primarily from the sale of health, technology and internet services. Alphabet revenue 2010-2022. It looks very good. From 2010 trailing 12 months, Alphabet had a revenue of 23.65 billion. In the pandemic trailing 12 months in 2020, Alphabet had a revenue of $166 billion compared to this year trailing 12 months 2022 $278 billion. It's almost an increase of 100%. Net income also looks very good. From 2009 where Alphabet had a $6.52 billion trailing 12 months profit to present day trailing 12 months in 2022 of $72 billion net income. Alphabet profit margin also looks very good, currently at net profit margin of 25.89%. Let's look at the price to earnings ratio. It's now 21.69. As you can see, historically this is a good P/E ratio for Alphabet. Now let's see Alphabet profile in tip ranks. Based on 10 Wall Street analysts offering 12-month price targets for Alphabet Class C in the last 3 months, the average price target is $145 with a high forecast of $165 and a low forecast of $132. The average price target represents 24.4% change from the last price of $116.64. So analysts see a medium upside of 24.4% the next 12 months. Bear in mind, if the net income will decline even further in 2022 compared to 2021, the stock market will likely punish Alphabet's stock price, because if you have lower net income, you will have bigger P/E ratio. Keep that in mind. What do you think of Alphabet Q2 results? I'd like to know your opinion on this. Please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm so that other people like you see this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. See you next time.